Question 50 says that the scatter plot below shows the relationship between the age of employees and salary of employees for different companies. Which scatter plot suggests a linear relationship between the two sets of data? Okay, we have 4 scatter plots to choose from, and the question that they're asking is which one would suggest a linear relationship? Okay, well, what's a linear relationship, Mrs. Kirk? Well, that just means that it would be a straight line with a constant rate of change. Okay, well, it may not be completely constant because we're suggesting a linear relationship, but if we could draw a trend line, that would point us to our answer. So, trend lines are always straight, and you would just use a straight edge to try and see a pattern that's occurring within your data. So, option A, there's no way I could draw a trend line here. These, they're all over the place. Like, you know, sometimes in the 60s, people are making $25,000, and then some people in their 60s are up above $55,000. So there's no trend here, and that would not suggest a linear pattern. So let's rule out option A. Option B shows company B. This one at least kind of looks better, but it's really widespread, and then you have some random out there points. But same thing here. There's some people at the age of 30 making about $70,000, and then there's some people upwards of 60 making the same amount. Option C. Okay, well, it keeps looking a little bit better. This one, they all seem to be, as your salary is increasing, your age is increasing. They're showing a pattern, and you could almost draw a trend line straight through there that would almost bisect your data. If you could fold your paper, you know, your dots would be about the same distance from the line on both sides. Okay, but to be thorough, let's check out D. This one looks pretty good too. You could probably draw a trend line. However, it's almost like as they're getting older, the salary starts to even out. Like you could have a trend line here, maybe, and then it would almost need to like start kind of curving as the age goes. So maybe they have a salary cap. Due to that, it's not necessarily linear because as the salary is increasing, the age doesn't always increase. Therefore, option C is our best answer because no matter what, as the salary is increasing or as the age is increasing, your salary is increasing as well.